Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an open work permit in Canada. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do and so hit the bell icon for more helpful information on Canadian applications. So first open up your browser and search for Work Permit Canada, how to apply. Click on the first link from canada.ca to reach the official website. And then you'll see some general information about COVID-19, which you can skip. So the first question will ask where you're applying from. So select inside Canada if you're already in the country. Then it will ask if you have a valid study or work permit. If yes, select yes. Next, create or sign into your CIC account using your GC key or your bank account. So once you're logged in, click Start Application and choose Work Permit Application. The system will ask about your eligibility, so select work for your purpose in Canada, and then choose how long you plan to stay, so select temporary, but more than 6 months. So answer additional questions about your nationality, current status, job offers, and graduation letter, which you'll need to upload. You'll also be asked to upload documents like your graduation letter, transcript, passport copy, combine the pages into one file, and photo ID. And afterwards, you will pay the 255 Canadian dollars application fee online. So once documents are all uploaded, submit your application and wait for approval. You can check your application status through your CIC account. I hope this helps out, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching.